Talk about how to make the scatter plot look a little bit more polished. I went ahead and renamed the y-axis so that loan amount is capitalized and also does not have an underscore in it. I'll show you how I did that by renaming the variable on the x-axis. So under annual income, on the three dots, I'm just going to click rename, and I'll say annual income. Right, and so that took care of it. I had also renamed my variable purpose with a capital P so that that looks a little more polished. And I need to come in and I need to clean up the categories for loan purpose. Now those are actually values of the variable purpose. So I'm going to need to go to edit queries to get back to those. Right, so let's find purpose. Here it is. Okay, and I'm going to first just capitalize all the words. So we can go to purpose, transform, capitalize each word. And I want to get rid of this underscore. So I'm going to go to replace values. I'm just right clicking and I'm going to replace values. I'm going to do this wrong the first time. So I'm going to just hit underscore, and if I put nothing here, that does get rid of the underscore for me, but now I have no space between the words. So I'm actually going to undo this step. So this is good to know. You can actually delete your last step in the query editor. All these steps are being recorded here on the right. So I'm going to undo that. I'm going to click X. And I'm going to try again to replace these values, replace values. So we're going to find the underscore, and I'm just going to do a little trick here. I'm going to put a quotation mark, space, quotation mark, and I really don't want those quotation marks there. Now I'm just going to ask to remove the quotation marks. So replace values. I'm going to ask it to find quotation marks, replace them with nothing. But I had built in a space between those quotation marks, and so now I have a space between the words. And I will hit close and apply. Right, and it takes a minute to load, but you can see that now those names are cleaned up.